I wonder what's the answer to this question. Where do broken hearts go? That question reminds me of a song. But I found no answer in that song. I continue to seek for answer, and I found it. I found it again. All because he found me again. Hello mga ka-bloomers! Alright mga ka-bloomers, we're going somewhere. Somewhere far, far away. Somewhere down the road. After a long travel, finally, I arrived. Touchdown! So here we are. This is the kind of place that I live. Yes, this is it.
So maglalakad ay bye-bye. Ang bilis. So maglalakad tayo pa uwi. So nasa may kalsada na tayo. Yan. Tada. Ay. Smile lang kahit wasak na ang puso. So winter season today winter season tayo. So malamig, naka-muffler, naka-puff jacket, naka-doble. Here. Nakita mo ba? Naka-boots. Wait lang, naka-boots. Here's the boots. Naka-boots and naka-doble ng pants. So nakakapagod. Pero laban lang dito. Laban lang. Laban lang.
I try to continue with my life. I did try. But there's something missing. There's something that I have. Then I lost it. In this foreign land, I get to meet people and learn something from them.
Hello vlog. Welcome to my guys.
In this foreign land, I get to live like one of the locals.
Madumi daw. Turo. Malda.
Yeah. Turo.
Dun tayo daan.
Sige, sabi mo may aso.
Yun, siya yung aso.
Asa yung may aso?
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, mga bagong gawa.
In this foreign land, I get to see an ancient town.
Sa pinagsamaan.
In this foreign land, I still remember him. How can I forget?
Buti nga dito may mga bata. Doon sa Tagal ko lang nakikita ng basta. Meron sa school.
Pero sa
In this foreign land, I still miss him. How can I not?
Yung kinakainan din.
Ito nga yung kinainan nyo?
Doon.
In this foreign land, everything reminds me of him. And I don't know why.